Ahiphena. Type of poison is narcotic poison. Botanical name is Papaver somniferum. Family is Papaveraceae. Synonyms are Tilabheda, Khasaphalakshira, Afukam. Toxic part is latex, Nidiasa. Chemical constituents are they are of two types. First one is phenanthrene derivatives and second one is benzyl isoquinolone derivatives. Phenanthrene derivatives are morphine, codeine, thebaine. Benzyl isoquinolone derivatives are papaverine and narcotine. Rasa Panchaka are rasas are tikta and kashaya. Gunas are ruksha and sukshma. Virya is ushna. Vipaka is katu. Prabhava is madaka. Mode of administration is applied on abraded surface of a wound, injection intravenously or subcutaneously. It can be introduced into rectum or vagina. It can also be taken by snorting or smoking. It may be mixed with cocaine, known as speed bailing, and taken orally. Method of shodhana are Ahifena is mixed or dissolved in water. It is then strained on cloth. This Ahifena is taken and Bhavana is given for 21 times with Adraka Swarasa. Then it is used as medicine. Signs and symptoms that it show are the classic triad of opiate poisoning is respiratory depression, pinpointed pupils, and impairment of sensorium. The signs and symptoms are categorized into two types. First one is acute poisoning and the second one is chronic poisoning. An acute poisoning usually commences within half an hour to 1 hour after the intake of poison. The symptoms manifest themselves in three stages, namely stage of excitement, stage of stupor, stage of narcosis. First one is stage of excitement or euphoria. During this stage, the symptoms are increased sensation of well being, increased mental activity, talkativeness and laughter, freedom from anxiety, restlessness, hallucination, flushing of face, excited or menatial condition. This stage is of short duration or may be absent if a large dose is taken. Second stage is stage of stupor. It shows headache, nausea, vomiting, giddiness, lethargic condition, drowsiness, pupils are contracted, face and lips are cyanized, itching sensation is felt all over the skin, pulse and respiration remains normal. Stage of narcosis or coma. Patient passes into a deep coma from which he can't be roused. There is a marked insensibility to pain. Muscles are relaxed and reflexes are lost. All secretions are completely suspended. Face is pale. Lips are livid and lower jaw drops. Pupils are contracted to pinpoints and are insensible to light. Increased perspiration. BP begins to fall and pulse is slow and may lead to respiratory failure. Death occurs from asphyxia. Treatment will be stomach wash thoroughly and frequently with a solution of 1 is to 5000 kmno4 ratio. A tablespoonful suspension of charcoal may be introduced to stomach. Bowels should be cleared by administering 30 grams of sodium sulfate in large amount of water to prevent reabsorption. Bladder should be emptied by catheterization. Administration of oxygen at an increased tension is necessary if cyanosis is present. Artificial respiration if respiration is markedly down. Fresh milk of cow and its ghee for consumption. Detection will be simple test to presumptively identify alkaloids. It can be used to test cocaine, opiates, etc. Antidote is naloxone hydrochloride or nalorphine hydrobromide are drugs of choice. Fatal dose will be opium 2 grams, morphine 0.2 grams, codeine 0.5 grams, pethidine 2 grams, and the fatal period will be 6 to 12 hours. Postmortem appearance will have They are not characteristics but sign of asphyxia or prominent. Face and nails are cyanized. Froth is seen at mouth and nostril. Pupils are contracted and can be dilated also. Postmortem staining is well marked and cyanotic. Smell of opium is noticed and on opening chest. Stomach may contain small lumps of opium. Lungs are oedematous and congested. Blood will be dark. Medico legal importance. It is a poison of choice to commit suicide. Homicidal is rare because of bitter taste. Accidental opium poisoning is normal. Opium disappears with putrefaction, so it may not be detected in putrefied bodies. Important formulations are Ahifena sava, Nidrodayavati, Jati Faladivati, Jayaphala. Type of poison will be irritant poison. Botanical name is Croton thingleum. Synonyms are Dantibija and Tintidiphala. Poisonous part is seed. Shodhana. Fresh Jayapala bija is taken. Remove its Bahyatvacha and radical after cutting it as two. Pottali is prepared using the bija and placed it in Dolayantra. Svedana is done for Prahara using Godukda. This procedure should be repeated for 3 times. Rasa Panchaka are Rasa is Katu, Gunas are Guru, Ruksha and Tikshna, Virya is Ushna, Vipaka is Katu. Toxic chemical constituent. The seeds contains crotin and crotonoside and the oil has crotonylic acid, methyl crotonic acid, crotonol. The fatal dose will be 1 to 4 seeds and the fatal period will be an average of 4 to 6 hours. Signs and symptoms: hot burning pain in mouth and throat extending to the abdomen, salivation, nausea, vomiting, purging with severe gripping pain and bloody stools, tachycardia, vertigo, circulatory and respiratory collapse, and death. Treatment will be stomach wash with water and activated charcoal, maintenance of fluid and electrolyte balance, demulcent drinks like milk or egg white, morphine to allay pain. Small quantity of opium followed by ghee mixed milk can be taken to stop the diarrhea. Antidote will be paste of dhanyaka, sarkara and dadhi. Postmortem appearance: red inflamed mucous membrane of stomach and intestine excoriated at places, congested liver and spleen, swollen and congested kidney. Occasionally postmortem findings are negative. Medical legal importance: accidental poisoning resulting from swallowing croton oil by mistake or when taken in large doses as a purgative or by eating seeds or inhaling their dust. Suicidal and homicidal are rare. The root and oil are sometimes taken internally as an abortifacient. Oil is used as arrow poison. The important formulations are Ichabhedirasa and Jalodaradirasa. Pharmacotherapeutics are Virechaka, Krumigna, Kushtahara.